Greetings and welcome to Thrive After 60. My name is Grace. Have you ever finished breakfast and wondered why you already feel tired an hour later? You think you're doing the right thing every morning. But what if some of the foods in your kitchen are quietly draining your energy? Today, I'm going to share 5 simple breakfast foods many people over 60 find helpful for steady energy, comfort, and mood. And stay with me, because at the end, I'll reveal a breakfast habit that seems harmless, but often leaves many seniors feeling more tired than they should. Quick note before we begin. This video is for general wellness purposes only and is not medical advice. Please speak with your doctor before making any changes. Now here's something worth thinking about. After 60, your body changes in many quiet but important ways. Breakfast matters more than most people realize. Maybe you've noticed it yourself. 10 years ago, breakfast kept you going until lunch. Now, by mid-morning, your energy can disappear without warning. Many people over 60 tell me the same thing. I eat breakfast every day, but I still feel low before noon. And it's not about eating more. It's about eating the right kinds of foods for this stage of life. Today, we'll go through 5 simple breakfast choices that can help. Number 1, oatmeal. Let's start with something simple. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is gentle on digestion and releases energy slowly. Instead of a quick spike and crash, many people feel steady and full for longer. And it's easy. Just oats, warm water or milk, and a few minutes. Add banana or a little honey, and you've got a simple, comforting breakfast. Food number 2, eggs. This next food surprises some people. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most natural sources of protein. And protein becomes more important after 60 because it supports strength and helps you feel satisfied. Scrambled, boiled, or poached, it doesn't matter. A simple 2-egg breakfast takes less than 10 minutes. Food number 3, Greek yogurt. Here's one that's easy to overlook, Greek yogurt. It contains natural cultures that many people find helpful for digestion. It's also a good source of calcium, which matters for bone strength. Choose plain yogurt and add berries, if you like. Simple, light, and easy on the stomach. And stay with me, because number 4 is something many people completely underestimate. But it makes a real difference. Food number 4, berries. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries. They're naturally sweet and easy to add to almost anything, oatmeal, yogurt, or even on their own. Many people like how they make breakfast feel more enjoyable. Frozen berries work just as well. Keep a bag in your freezer and just add a handful each morning. Food number 5, whole grain toast. And finally, whole grain toast with nut butter. This gives you steady energy. Whole grains release energy slowly, while nut butter adds healthy fats and protein. Simple, filling, and easy to prepare. Just make sure the bread is truly whole grain and the nut butter has no added sugar. So let's bring it together. Oatmeal for steady energy. Eggs for strength. Greek yogurt for digestion. Berries for balance. And whole grain toast for lasting fullness. Start with just 1. Small changes matter. Now here's the habit I mentioned at the start, eating breakfast with a large glass of fruit juice. It sounds healthy, but juice is often high in sugar and low in fiber. Many people over 60 find it gives a quick energy rise, followed by a mid-morning crash. A better option? Whole fruit, or just water with lemon to start your day gently. If this helped you today, I'd really appreciate a like. It helps more people over 60 find this channel. And if you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Now tell me in the comments, which of these 5 foods will you try first? Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.